So customer complaint is this LG dryer is not heating. Sound like it needs some rollers too, so we'll see. It look like some burnt up, so we're gonna have a lot of lint. So we're gonna have to do a clean out on this. Look at all that lint right there. Luckily he didn't catch on fire. Man, that's bad. So let's check it out. Yeah, this is real bad. Extremely bad. Yeah, they lucky it didn't catch on fire. Alright, so here's the old element we just took out. I'm gonna vacuum up a little bit more. Nothing there. But it was pretty bad, as you can see. Alright, so here's the new element we're about to put in, but I'm gonna make sure the customer gets the dryer vent fully cleaned before she starts running again. We're gonna take her inside the dryer, and hopefully Vent Wizard can come out and do the rest. Alright, so let's see what we get. It's a lot quieter than what it was. Let's see if we got any heat. Okay. We definitely got heat. Another great A appliance repair.